Imagine a world where every product you use is part of a sustainable cycle, where waste is a thing of the past, and renewable energy powers everything. This is the vision of Procter & Gamble's Ambition 2030 plan. P&G's top marketer, Mark Pritchard, recently shared how the company is transforming its brands to embrace sustainability fully. By 2030, P&G pledges to make all its packaging fully recyclable or reusable, use 100% renewable energy, and achieve 0% net waste. This ambitious plan is part of a broader movement as sustainability becomes a critical transformation program for companies worldwide. Customers, shareholders, and financial analysts are closely watching whether companies are achieving their sustainability goals. But how will these goals be reached? P&G's transition to recyclable and reusable materials involves thousands of substitutions and re-engineerings. This complexity explains why many organizations struggle to make these ambitious changes happen. To stay on track for 2030, significant transformation must occur in the next 2 to 3 years. However, the sense of urgency seen at the beginning of the pandemic is missing from the sustainability conversation. Few CEOs and senior leaders delve deep enough into the details to realize the challenges and resources needed to reach these goals. Successful execution of thousands of well-conceived projects is crucial for a sustainable future. But we don't want to return to the dire pandemic days when CEOs were de facto chief project officers. Instead, CEOs should empower a new kind of sustainability-focused project manager to lead organizational transformation. Historically, project leaders have been responsible for delivering the outputs of projects, but achieving the outcomes has been the responsibility of senior leaders. This separation in accountability, known as the delivery value gap, has led to many projects failing to achieve their targets. Sustainability projects can be even more difficult to implement successfully due to unique challenges. Experts in sustainability matters are scarce and may become a bottleneck. Sustainability-related data and metrics are hard to obtain, standardize, consolidate, and monitor. Suppliers are often the primary source of an organization's footprint, yet it is hard to create leverage with them. Project management and project leaders play a critical role in achieving more sustainable practices. Executives must provide project managers more flexibility, moving past the traditional iron triangle of project management. Project managers must be unleashed to reach sustainability goals innovatively. Empower project leaders to embed sustainability in every project, even those not built around sustainability goals. Project managers have the opportunity to embed sustainability elements in the design, planning, and delivery of all their projects. A central project management office, PMO, can play an important role in analyzing new project ideas with a focus on sustainable outcomes. Design and champion projects where sustainability transformation is the goal, creating business value. Dispel myths about sustainability projects, such as the belief that green initiatives involve a zero-sum trade-off with growth. Accelerate the benefits of sustainability projects by prioritizing and speeding up sustainability improvements. Execute partnerships with like-minded organizations to share infrastructure and innovations. Build trust inside and outside the organization by developing knowledge of sustainability benefits, progress, and performance. Apply the project canvas to design your sustainability transformation, focusing on value and benefits. Join the movement towards a sustainable future. Together we can transform our world. Sustainability, the future is now.